As you guys already know, I'm into shoujo romance and having everything in one place just make it so much more convenient. Instead of jumping between platforms, I can just stay on Manta and keep reading. And with so many titles being added, there's honestly something for everyone. Whether you like soft romance, slow burn, or something a bit more dramatic, it's all there. Now I will briefly talk about my favorite manga, A Sign of Affection by Morishita Su. Yuki, our female lead, is a deaf college student. While commuting to uni, she comes across a foreigner who doesn't seem aware of her impairment, and Yuki seems shy. But luckily, a tall, gorgeous man came up and solved the issue. Here comes our male lead, Itsumi-san. They attend the same uni, and turns out Itsumi is in the same club as Yuki's best friend. Itsumi is 3 years older than Yuki. He's an upperclassman who loves to travel the world and can speak multiple languages. Yuki was interested in him after their first meetup and wanted to get to know him more. Itsumi is also drawn to Yuki and wants to enter her world. I really love the representation of Japanese sign language in this story. Oh my god, I'm in love with how the mangaka drew it. Generally, there is no heavy plot here, so it's a very simple yet cute story. The way they communicate, romanticize little moments are so wholesome. Really, it's so well written romance. It's definitely a must read, so read it on Manta, okay? To celebrate the launch, Manta is doing a really good promo right now. Please check the image shown. It's a great chance to try out new series or finally read the ones you've been saving. So download Manta app now, and thank you so much Manta for sponsoring this video.